taiew hadien SENG SAMLA Mawlai PYLLUN khang Marten, Myntri babat tnad pynroi Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar, khot jingialang SENG, MLA MDC Mawlai hakalai tarik bnai. Hadien jingialang Ma Sniawbhalang Thu hakalap Theh kubor, bon taiew joint committee bon klido CEO municipal. Tnad badai kanang pelong ru jingwat daki jaka bathamai, on pelong ru jingpun bana jingpun sutupai ba halor kani.
Kajing kerana kan ni kaju hina marwah kerang bat orang berpeliru kia don kajing sungguh kia yang ada di Marten tinggal ikan lai flujing budi tinggal awan dah kaju kajing mut bah lakat balak ru ngin penklohi banyo ya kan yulan film mentah kajing bahajong ni kamtam jeung pajong mulai jong kata ada condition jong
kat bau film nyawan cakap kai ko pilih pada Marten nomor ki ong bakal aslai du Ñiut
kalau kum ni ngilak form committee mentani joint committee from my officer with the SENG, they will do the needful.
Any time frame ban pendap no ini kakam
at the earliest.
General Secretary SENG SAMLA Mawlai PYLLUN samran seim ulong bagi community bon la penbet yakani kam hakrukam makan ajumentoy om tanya kishnong hindre yakajalahi Kawei.
We are very excited to be a part of this meeting because the minister himself has ensured that he will do whatever he can in his authority to ensure that this Marten is solved under this tenure, under the leadership of Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar, and also that he has made his commitment and statement during his press statement. He has said that he'll prove that he can do. So we are very much excited, and also we hope that he keep his words, his promises, so that this will bring smiles and happy faces and joy to the people of Mawlai. We have discussed regarding this Marten issue time and again, and today we mentioned that the issue of Marten should be solved in a way that not only the people of Mawlai will benefit it, but then the whole state of Meghalaya will benefit it from this new solution. It will be a permanent solution to the state as a whole.